sharing how to peel your beans without any stress. Welcome to Delicious Kitchen. You are going to see how I'm going to peel this very beans you can see here, either the red one or the white black-eyed peeled beans. How we're going to turn everything to peeled one without any stress at all. Make sure you watch this video up to the end. Remember to subscribe and join us. Let's get it started. What I have in this pack of beans is 2 kilograms of black-eyed peeled beans. We all know how hard it is. It is quite hard, harder than the normal olonyi or the red beans or white beans we have in Africa. This very one is tough, and this system is perfect for any kind of beans like the normal one at home or this. Like I've said, I have 2 kilograms of black-eyed peeled beans in that bucket, and I'm pouring on top of it now 4.5 liters of water. Make sure that the water covers the beans very well like this, and I'm going to leave it to rest for about 20 to 25 minutes. What you can see beside the pot is my blender. Yes, blender. We are not going to blend this fully. Please, this is very important. I've poured part of the beans into the blender, and I'm going to add enough water into it. Okay, I'm going to cover it now and place it on the blending machine. Please don't forget to add enough water into it. Now I'll be turning the machine on and off, on and off, on and off. Please, you're not blending this. Remember, if you can continue to do this on and off with checking the beans, you are going to have this. Can you see this? Those beans are not blended. Okay, some are cut into two, but you can see it is peeled already, and that is how I'm going to continue the same process until I finish the whole beans. So the next process is the washing, and to make the washing very easy as well, you need a bigger bowl. Pour enough water on it, just the way I'm doing it like this. You can see I'm trying to see if there's anyone that is not peeled. They are all well peeled. Now I have enough water on it, but I'm going to need another bowl and a sieve. Yes, it's now time to sieve the water. You can see that the water is not coming out alone. They came out with the skin of those beans we've just blended. The whole skin is not going to come out at a time. There's a some of it. You can see it. Those are the skin of the beans that we've just peeled, but there are some remaining in the beans. Let me show you. This is the first washing, so I'm going to add another water into it. Feel free to reuse the water you sieve out of it. Okay, after sifting the skin, the water is clean. Pour it back and continue to sieve like this. Okay, you can see that's the water I've sieved out of it. I'm going to reuse it now. I put it back into the beans while I have the skin in the sieve. Okay, and I reuse the water about 2, 3, 4 times. Then I use another clean water, and voila, you can see how clean those beans are. It is very easy if you use this method. It is the quickest, and now you can see the beans is now ready for akara or moi moi. Thanks for watching.